I've been carrying my goat in this buckled horizontal pouch with the goat pouch full of accessory stuff. So I've been carrying it like this, and it's been fine and comfortable. Doesn't, hardly even notice it back there. Not too much. The goat can pull out of this pouch even with this accessory pouch right by it there. The clip is very fumbly. I don't like the clip. But otherwise it's been okay just to carry it right now. But I think I'm going to reuse my Gerber diesel Kydex that I made a long time ago. So I reamed out, it was held together with these 2 screws and 1 rivet. I reamed out the rivet with the awl, and then I used my little pry tool to gently pop it free. So we'll see how it goes. For this Kydex sheath, I will be using only the goat tool. No power tools. And I don't have my new tripod yet, so I'm just gonna do some still shots of the process. I'm not sure how long this will take. I am outside, which isn't ideal. I should be inside to do this probably. Let's see what happens. Should have brought something flat out, big book or something. Sorry about that. All right, at the moment I'm having trouble with too much retention. I haven't done Kydex for quite a while. And I just realized that I forgot to put multiple layers of tape all over the goat tool to make it thicker. So that was an important thing that I forgot. I'm gonna try to keep messing with it. The black clip does look good with the brass scales. You got that goofy screw. Pretty sure the black ones are too short, even without the pocket clip. They're too short for the scales. So that's kind of goofy right there. But the clip looks good. It doesn't really help get it in and out of my Kydex. I probably am not going to use it. I don't know. I don't remember if I tried the black screws right off the bat. All their goat videos, you know, that I watched before I even got this over and over. Seems like they said the screws will not work. That's why they give you screws with the scales, if you get scales. So the screw works, but it's really loose, even though the screw's tightened all the way. They're not much more length on these non-black screws than the black ones, but it is tight all the way and it's really loose for some reason. But the black screws would look cool. I might acid etch the screw heads. They'd at least be a dark gray. Maybe, if I bother. I carved a phone stand, phone holder. I used the nightshade. I can't remember which one. I used one of my nightshades to carve that. Works pretty good. Someday I'll have a fancy tripod again. I thought I'd come out to the tree house, tree fort, for a little peace and quiet. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully it's not too windy. So here is goat tool with Kydex. I have to try not to drop it. I think it turned out good. I'm happy with it. I forgot to tape up the goat tool so that it fit better once you rip the tape off. Fits in the Kydex better. So it is kind of stiff. Getting it out. Going in is fine, but nice click. It moves that much. I could it's either loose or super tight. It is really important to tape up a few layers of like painter's tape before you do Kydex. Super important. So here it is, slides in. Nice click. You got the Spyderco G clip, which I like a lot, and it's a big improvement from what I did have. Clips onto anything, even my pajamas, sweatpants, shorts, belt. My other one, I formed a belt clip out of the Kydex, what used to be on here for my Gerber. That eventually cracked and then broke off. Like getting in and out of my truck, I would catch it, and I was wearing it on my left rear side. So this is a big improvement. And I put a belt loop off of a CRKT neck knife, probably, or something was on here. That you gotta slide on and off the belt. This clips right on. It's a little tricky to get off, but it clips right on real good. The accessory pouch, it's doing okay. It's the goat pouch I'm using for accessories. It's all right, but it's kind of a big, small pouch. You can wear it horizontal, but something might fall out. And I've got my other little bits and stuff in this plastic thing. So you can wear this horizontal. I've got the strap through there, but I've been putting my belt through the top part of this. Just barely squeezes through there. When I go to open this, it wants to pull the whole pouch up. And I don't like the Velcro noise. So I'm going to try a pouch that you put in your back pocket. I've never had one of those before. I ordered a cheap one. I'm gonna try that. I might actually be able to put more things in it, and it's just in my back pocket. I never have anything in my left rear pocket. Keep a snot rag in my right rear. Handkerchief, I call them snot rags. So I got more videos to come. I still have not Loctited my screws, and I might acid etch these screw heads, make them a dark gray. And once I get it all figured out some more here, I will Loctite the screws and see if that holds them in place. When I Loctite them, I'm gonna let it sit probably for 24 hours or something. It's gonna be hard to do. So I'll try to let it sit and not do anything with it for 24 hours. See how that works, because screws do loosen all the time. Mostly on the tool side, not so much the plier side, but a little bit. And when I get the pouch situation worked out, I'll make a video on that also. I can do this without dropping it. The goat tool. Oh, I used nothing but the goat tool to make this. The goat tool didn't come with sandpaper, so I did not sand my edges. I've used the file pry tool here and there a little bit, but I did not sand the edges. I probably will do that, but for this video I used nothing but the goat. No power tools. Thanks for watching.